Hello everyone, I am Namrata Sood from Team Vizrobo. Vizrobo is a premier training institute that prepares children in science, technology, engineering and mathematics that stands for STEM. And today we are going to perform few science experiments for which you will need a candle, an Inu pouch, a clear water glass, some black pepper, a bowl, a plate and a newspaper. And you might also need a small piece of thermocol, a half sliced lemon, a small white piece of paper and a matchbox. And you will also need a glass or a jar filled with water. So let us start with our today's session. So the very first experiment I'm going to do is lifting the plate. For that I'm going to take this plate and add some water to it. You have to add some water to it, very little. Spread it onto the plate evenly. Once you are done with it, take a small piece of newspaper and put it over here. So you just need to take care that your newspaper you are using is perfectly wet and there is no excess water in this plate. So once you are done with this, now take a small piece of thermocol and place it here at the center. And then you have to insert 3 or 4 matchsticks in this piece of thermocol. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once you're done with this, now take your clear water glass and light these matchsticks up. So be very quick and careful while doing this. I would suggest you to do this in the supervision of your parents. So as I told you, be a little quick. And now invert your clear glass onto this plate and press it for a few seconds. So you can see the fumes coming. These are the left unburned particles and all the oxygen in the glass has been used by the fire, so a vacuum is created here. So once I'm done with this, just press it for say 9 to 10 seconds. So now try to lift this plate, and yes, you can see that the plate has been lifted. This is because all the oxygen inside this glass was used by the fire and the vacuum has been created here, and thus this vacuum helps the plate to get lifted. So this was our first experiment. So for our next experiment we need an empty bowl, a glass of water and some black pepper. So this experiment is called the germ and soap science. For this you just need to add some water to the bowl, and then you have to spread some black pepper, sprinkle some black pepper on it like this. So here you can see the black pepper is spread evenly on this water. This is because of the surface tension of water. It is the pull of water that keeps all these molecules floating on it all together. So after this, what you have to do is you have to take a soap. You can either take a liquid soap, as I am taking a hand wash or a face wash, or you can take a simple bathing soap, and you just need to put your finger into it. A little soap you have to take, and here you will see when you put it in the bowl that all the germs would move towards the edges of the bowl. So this is because soap breaks the surface tension of these molecules, and these molecules which were earlier having some forces holding all them together all over the water have now broken, and all these germs, or I can say this black pepper molecules, go apart from each other. So this was our second experiment. For the third experiment, we are going to take a simple plain white paper a half sliced lemon and a matchstick. So what basically you have to do in this experiment is you have to dip this matchsticks in this lemon carefully and write something on this white sheet of paper. You can write anything. Say I am writing hello with this. Take plenty of lemon juice and write hello. And now you can keep it at the side for 1 or 2 minutes to get it dry. Till then I am going to continue with our fourth experiment. So for this fourth experiment I need a clear glass of water, Eno pouch, another glass of water and a candle. So what I am going to do is I am going to fill my glass with water. Just need to fill half part, and then I will place my candle into it and lit it up. Be careful while doing this, and it is advisable to do this under supervision of your parents. So once you do this, what you can do is add this Eno pouch into the water. And observe what happens. So you can see that this candle that was earlier written has blown off. This is because this Eno that we have put into the water has released a lot of carbon dioxide when mixed with water. So this to lit the fire, for the fire to burn, we always need oxygen, but when there is carbon dioxide gas involved, it cuts the supply of oxygen to the candle, and thus the candle blows off. So this explains us that oxygen is a very important requirement for the candle, and CO2 can cut off the supply. Similar principle is used while in the fire extinguishers also. The carbon dioxide gas is sprayed to cut off the oxygen supply to the fire and blow the fire off. So talking about the last experiment we were doing, we wrote a word over this page of ours, and you can see now it has disappeared. You cannot see anything. Now here is this magic. We are going to light this candle and heat this paper. So be very carefully, it really catches fire, so it should not happen. You just need to heat this from a quite distance. Be careful while heating it. So you will see that some parts of the paper will start getting brown. And the words you have written will start appearing slowly. Keep it at a distance so that it does not catch fire. So you can see few words I have written hello, so H, E and L has come. I will heat it up a little more. So you might have seen this kind of things in the pictures, in the movies. Earlier the kings used to this method to write the secret messages. So here you can see the whole word hello written. I written it with the lemon juice. It disappeared, and when I put it on the fire, heat it up a little bit, the words disappeared. So this is the magic ink the kings or the people used in earlier times to convey the secret messages. This happened because the lime juice weakened some parts of paper on which we applied it, and then due to the acid in lemon juice, this part of paper was a little bit weakened, and so it gets brown before the other page. You can do this with the help of some milk also, since milk also has lactic acid which also weakens the paper, and it will also turn brown earlier than the other parts of paper, and the word you have written would appear easily. So these are 4 experiments, and so now I am going to share with you a very wonderful trick So here is my phone, and as you know, today phones don't work with the finger in winters when you want to use your phones, but due to gloves you're not able to use them, or you have to always cut your gloves, remove your gloves, or get a special type of gloves that in which you can use phone. Here is a tip for you. You can use your phone, operate your phone with the help of this battery. So what you just need to do is you have to use this part of your battery. This is there are two sides of the battery, this one with a bulge and the other without a bulge, that is attached with the spring. So you have to use this side and you can operate your phone easily. So I can show you like this. You can operate anything with this set. Isn't this a wonderful trick? I hope you all enjoyed this session, and yes, do try this trick. It is really wonderful and it works really smooth on the phones. So bye bye, take care and have a good day.